Sai Ram. Good morning to you, my dear one. Decide to take people with you as you walk on the path of success. What belongs to you will remain yours. Be the light in others' lives too. Whether people are grateful or not, truth does not change. What you do matters to me. Your every act of kindness counts for something. I will give you what you rightfully deserve. May you have a blessed day. Sarvam Sai Mayam. Jai Sai Ram.